Alright everybody, last time I showed you how to make the adapted foo mask, and this time we're going for the accordion style because it takes about a quarter of the time, still has great fit and breathability, so let's dive in. Start off by taking a long piece of cotton fabric and fold it in half. You'll want that folded in half piece to be 7 inches wide and then 9 inches long. Now just eyeball it and make your pleats. You're going to want to have 3 total folds. So first one, second one, third one, and fold it down tight. You're going to want this to be about 3 inches, a tiny bit more to account for seam allowance. Set your iron on cotton and then flatten those creases. So just go over it a couple of times, make it nice and flat. Slip in a piece of metal in the top fold and have it be directly in the middle, and then sew it into place. So you're sewing a little capsule for it, and make sure you go back and forth a couple of times on the sides so the metal doesn't poke through. Now you're done with your sewing machine. If you have a serger, come on over and serge across that bottom fluffy edge. If you don't have a serger, just use a zigzag stitch on your regular sewing machine so that the bottom doesn't fray. Terrible footage of this, I apologize, but you're going to want to cut out 4 strips of 16-inch long, 1-inch wide approximately strips from t-shirt fabric so that you can use that for your straps and you don't have to sew the edges because it won't fray. At the top, unfold it a little bit and lay that strap in flat so that it's against the edge. Then scrunch it up again and go down to the bottom and take your other strip and line it up with the bottom corner. Now you're just going to serge those in place, so just cut off the edge and then start setting up your strips on the other side the exact same way you did the first time. Now you're all done, so to put it on, first adjust the nose piece and then start putting it on. So you want the top to be, the side you want to be facing outward is the side that has the folds facing down. And just tie it real tight and then you got a nice beautiful seal. And you can play around with how wide you want it to be. This one is about 7 inches or 6.5, 7 inches. I've also done ones that are 8. So depending on your head size, you can find the perfect seal for you. Yeah, this one's a little bit bigger. You can see it's a little bit wider on the edges. Both work great.